Hello everybody, hello everyone. This is Yehia Adel. Today we will talk about an important math problem. The three tabs work together. Math problem. Let's go! A tab filled an aquarium in 6 hours. And another tab filled the same aquarium in 3 hours. And a third tab filled the same aquarium in 2 hours. So we have three different tabs. If the three tabs work together, to fill the whole aquarium, how many minutes are needed to fill the whole aquarium? A lot of people say that when the three tabs work together to fill the aquarium, the time of filling the aquarium must be minimized or reduction, and this is true. So some of them say that the time needed to fill the aquarium will be calculated by subtracting the elapsed time of filling the aquarium by the three tabs. So they do here as 6 minus 3 minus 2 hours equals to 1 hour. And unfortunately, this is wrong. So, why that is wrong? And what is the right method to solve this problem? That is what we will discuss in the next few minutes. God willing. Let's go! Firstly, this way is wrong to solve the problem because the three tabs are different in size, as one has a small hole. It fills the aquarium in 6 hours, while the other has a medium one. It fills the aquarium in 3 hours, and the third has bigger one in size. It fills the aquarium in 2 hours. So there is no relationship between them in filling the capacity of the whole aquarium when they work together, as they are different in size. So we can't subtract their time of filling the aquarium as they are different in size. To fully understand this point, we can explain it by another way. Let we say that the first step will fill the aquarium in 4 hours, the second step in 3 hours, and the third in 2 hours. Can you subtract that time, making 4 minus 3 minus 2 hours? No. That is wrong. Try to do this. You'll find that that is wrong. We can't subtract this time because the result will be negative 1 hour. And this time has no sense, because the time of filling the aquarium must be positive. How we can fill the aquarium by a negative hour or negative time? So the subtraction of the time is incorrect. So what is the correct way of solving this problem? Let's try. Fortunately, we have 2 cool ways to solve this problem. The first way is mentally. Using the logics. As the first step will fill the capacity of 1 aquarium in 6 hours. So we have, for the first step, 1 aquarium, meaning 1x in 6 hours. While the second step will fill the same capacity of the 1 aquarium in 3 hours. So we have 1x, meaning 1 aquarium will be filled in 3 hours with the second step. So the second step will fill the capacity of 2 of these aquariums in 6 hours, meaning that we have, for the second step, 2x will be filled in 6 hours. And the third step, the last one, which is more bigger, will fill the capacity of this 1 aquarium in 2 hours. So we have 1x will be filled in 2 hours, meaning 1 aquarium in 2 hours. So for the third step, it will fill the capacity of 3 of these aquariums in 6 hours, as 1 aquarium in 2 hours, so 3 aquariums in 6 hours. So we have, for the third step, 3x will be filled in 6 hours is 3 aquariums in 6 hours. So if the 3 taps work together, they will fill the capacity of 1x of the first tap plus 2x of the second tap plus 3x of the third tap, which meaning 6x, 6 aquariums in 6 hours. If they work together, they will fill the capacity of 6 aquariums in 6 hours. By another way, they will fill the capacity of 1 aquarium only in 1 hour also. Which is equal to 60 minutes. So, if they work together, they will fill the capacity of 1 aquarium in 60 minutes. The basic idea here is that we find the number 6, which we use in 6 hours, as the least common multiple of the times needed to fill the aquarium by each tap, which are here 6, 3, and 2 hours. So we get 6 as the LCM or least common multiple. So we applied it as we want to get the time. Then we search about how many aquariums each tap will fill at the least common multiple time. This is the first way to solve the problem. What about the second one? Let's see. The second way of solving this problem is by using the meaning of the rate of filling the aquarium by each tap as the rate of filling the aquarium by the first tap equals to x over 6 meter cubic per hour, as it will fill the capacity of 1 aquarium in 6 hours, while the rate of filling the aquarium by the second tap equals to x over 3 meter cubic per hour, as it will fill the capacity of 1 aquarium in 3 hours, and the rate of filling the aquarium by the third tap equals to x over 2 meter cubic per hour, as it will fill the capacity of 1 aquarium in 2 hours, where the symbol x here refers to the amount of water which befilled the aquarium by each tap in meter cubic. So when they work together, the rate of filling the whole aquarium by all of them equals to x over 6 plus x over 3 plus x over 2. We add the rate of performance of each of them to get the rate of performance of all of them together. So we get x over 6 plus x over 3 plus x over 2, which equals to x over 6 plus 2x over 6 plus 3x over 6, which equals to 6x over 6. This meaning that if they all work together, they will fill the capacity of 6 aquariums in 6 hours. And that is meaning also that they will fill the capacity of 1 aquarium only in 1 hour also, which equals to 60 minutes. So that is the second way of solving this problem. Last but not least, these are 2 ways to solve this problem. Mentally, using the logics and using the ray, but they aren't the only ones. If you get another cool one, please paste it to me.
Don't hesitate
in the comments, and I will make another video to show it to the others. Hopefully. Thank you of all of you. Peace be upon you and God's mercy and blessing. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.